Hey, this is day 7 of Springdale School District 7th grade math AMI video help. So today, Grid House, Sonora Spartan. So today, day 7, the math question, you are given a situation in which there are a bunch of scores. And it says that the mean of the scores is 80. So you know that the mean of the scores is 80%, or a score of 80. Remember, mean essentially is the same thing as average. So that's where we would add up all the numbers and then we would divide it by how many numbers there are. And it says the average is 80. Now it wants you given 12 different numbers. So there's a number, there's a number, there's a number, there's a number. 12 times, let's count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it wants you to figure out, and you can do this any way you want to, what would the data set look like if there were 12 numbers or 12 different scores? What would the data set look like if it had a mean or an average of 80? And it wants you to do this not just one time, it wants you to do it 3 different times. Well, think about it. One way you could do this is you could literally have every single one of these scores being 80. All the way down the line, it could be 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. Because that would average to be 80. So there would be 12 of those 80s, and you would divide it by how many there are, and you would get an average of 80. So that's what the data set could look like, is just have all those 80s, 12 straight 80s. Or it could look something completely different. If I had another 12 set of numbers, and it just keeps on going, ... And let's say one student got a 0. Another student got 100. Another student got a 50. This data set can still eventually have an average of 80. It would have to add up, though, to the exact same amount as this data set that was all 80s. So that means this. If these are all 80s in data set 1, so 80, and then there's 12 80s, so let's do 12 times 80. So 12 times 80 is 960. So that means whatever data set you come up with, the sum or the addition of all of those numbers has to be 960, regardless of what your data set looks like. And it can look very different. I want to see what you guys can come up with. I look forward to hearing from you.